These bags. Good morning, you guys, and happy Friday. This is Mama India from the Coleman Crew. I am downstairs by the laundry room area. You gonna hold in a second. I was trying to get Ira, and she at the flipping and turning stage. Have y'all ever recorded and it be on slow mode, like when you really didn't try to do it slow mo? But anyways, hey you guys, this is Mama India from the Coleman Crew, and I had a good birthday. I will talk about my birthday after a while, but right now I wanted to share with you guys, not only do I like a clean house, I like for our house our clothing to smell good. And a few videos ago I showed y'all the washing powder brand that I will purchase from Walmart or Amazon for like $21 for an 18-pound powder. I know my nose ring kind of twisted too, y'all, but I found something else different. But anyways, I was in Walmart and did not want to have to order everything and be waiting like 2 to 3 days. So I was like, let me just try to grab everything while I'm in here. So I'm going to show y'all the new brand of washing powder that I purchased. And I feel like I got a good deal with it. It wasn't on sale or anything, but what I'm stating is the 18-pound one is like $21 versus this one. I was able to kind of get a smell of it, and it smells a little better. I love powder versus liquid, being that we are a family of 10 and we always washing. The liquid I still use like for the baby, but the detergent, but for the most part I have like the fabric softeners, the booster beads and all that to kind of give it a better smell. Because at one point I was their mom, oh, I'm only using Gain washing detergent, original, nothing more, nothing less. But I done came to a conclusion that there are other brands for a cheaper price and smell just like you would want them. Just get the Gain fabric softeners and Gain boosters and call it a day. So I'm about to flip the camera around and show y'all. This also, you guys, I got that light bill to go down. I'm able to wash and dry as much as I want to. I did change my plan. I did a few videos ago back stating that how the light bill went up, the way I wash clothes and stuff. The being that when you're in Texas, there's different energy companies, and you can change your like I have 3 of those. Customize your plan on the way you use your utilities or whatever. So we washed, you know, it's a family of 10, so we wash, and that bill was up. So I got it to where it's no more than $150 no more. Thank you, Jesus. We'll fill this all the way to about right here and have just about this much left. So just you know, just a little bit more to kind of dump back in there when it got to about right here. So we will fill that 18-pound up to about right here and have just a little left, versus this is past the halfway mark, which is what does it say? It says 32 cups, and then we have these 2 bags right here. These bags, they was 8 something. What this is? Oh, that paper that I made a mistake and ordered. So I think they was $8, $8.16.24. So I paid like $4 more for these, and still have 2 bags left. Versus if I would have got the 18-pound bag and would have had just about this much more after filling it. So, and then you want smelly good clothes, so like the off-brand dish detergent, I mix these beads up, the Gain beads, booster beads, and then the Gain fabric softener. Those pink and white ones are the baby ones, which is the what brand is this? show y'all. I stocks up not only on my food items, our household items, and I use this type of tissue, that commercial tissue, and it lasts for a month without having to keep buying on them small rolls. And I will be purchasing more to stock up. This is what makes me feel good, y'all. I know y'all can barely see, but this this is the new one I'm trying out for her. I try not to do too many like hard smells because I don't want her to break out. But the Super Care Fade Protection Color Run Protection, and it smells really good. Along with me purchasing all this time around for her, I hadn't opened these up because I forgot I had the drift. And these like $15, so I got 2 of these for $8, and it's still, these are still more in here versus this one. So yeah, hey, say hey. So yeah, I call myself trying to budget when I can and how I can. We also had to get a new dryer. That is our new dryer, although I have not aired it yet. The brand is what, GE, and this is still the Roper's machine that's only a year old, and our dryer got the smelling like it was burning. The people had to come call somebody to come clean out the wall because the wall was filled up with lint. That lint was drying out and down near about to catch fire with the dryer. And I was like, I know I smell something. So I took that dryer loose and seen all that stuff coming. That was like when a fire or a house burned like that, the little pieces to the burnt lint. And I was like, oh no, we ain't using this dryer no more. I don't care if it could get cleaned out. That smell, that I don't play with, because I didn't know like if the wires or something hadn't got burnt out and too hot. Because my husband had to always go behind there trying to clean the filter out, clean like every washing cycle and drying cycle. And I just felt like that was not normal, and it was because the wall was built up. The filter thing, like the duct thing, was full of lint. And before we moved, I guess the people never came in here to do that. So yeah, we have to get that done. And as well, spend more on the dryer that they did not help pay for. But I will be back and talk to y'all guys more about how my birthday went. Stay tuned. I've changed the door decoration. It says our happy place. Welcome, friends. Welcome. And some flowers that I need to water. Caught these for $7 a piece, $7.40 something, I think. $5 pillows out of Walmart. And this was over there in the Easter section, so I matched this up. I already had this for my birthday from the massage lady, so I matched that up and let it all blend in. I hate this stained concrete, but it is what it is. The decoration is pretty.